It's Tuesday and we are going for the team training. I just woke, or I've just had a 10-minute nap. Recharge the batteries, the mental and brain battery. Today we're having GPS's first time. Yes, we are setting up the bar for squats. Just gotta check percentage. We want 75%. Oh, extra weight. This is a counter, what? Counter movement, counter weight. Oops.
CMJ.
Oh, extra weight from the camera. CMJ. Holy, I've lost weight.
Hands on hips. Sorry, the hands leave the hips.
Yeah, you're right. Okay.
That's better.
Just 3?
Finish, yeah.
This part is muted not only because of the stupid noises one of the guys was making, but because of the music in the background. Jumping on the field. Chongy. Short. Short here, Deck. Short here. Hey, yo. Head up. Giddy up. Nice. Powerful. How was your day, mate?
Very good.
Okay, good.
Started at 6 o'clock.
6 o'clock and is here. Get out of bed. Be like Declan.
Pink, then you can stop.
What's the intensity? 100. Okay, 3 more to go, eh? Through things. Declan's after Declan's second step, he's gone. 1, 2, and then boom. Jokes. I think it's 4. So another question, but this time for Anthony. What was that niggle you felt?
I feel like Chavi's going to find this video when he told me to go to just a bit of a hamstring. Little click somewhere.
No, so boys, just run to the other side.
Yeah. Press back.
Then you have a rest. Go around for 15 seconds. Come back. I'm going to run back.
Make a lot happen in 15 seconds for you boys.
Yeah.
Hey.
Ready? Go!
goes.
Go!
Countdown? Oh, yeah, you count out next time, sorry. You ready?
Let's go.
Go, boys. Last change.
Hands up. Hands up.
Good chat. Let's go, boys. Let's go. Cameron hat. That's it.
Let's go, go number 2.
I'm flat here, flat.
Yeah, one, yeah, one.
Oh.
Come. Go your number 2.
Deep here, deep. Good shot, good shot. Wide here. Connect here, Dom. Flat here, flat. Short here. Take it up. Take it up here. Deep here. That's the end of our Tuesday session. And that was tiring. Right now, all I need is some food. Good session though. That was some hard work. Quick ball skills, or quick conditioning, ball skills, defense and attack drills. And now, time to go home. Dom, any words? Any words? How was training? Typical Dom.